Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the requirements during our visa application here in Canada. So before that, sa mga di pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and you may hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in our next video. Before ko i-share sa inyo lahat ng requirements during our visa application, I just want to tell you na all the process and all the requirements na i-share ko today is based on our experience. So, since OFW kami sa Singapore, we lodged our application in Singapore. Doon na din kami nag-biometrics, doon din kami nag-medical, and doon din yung visa stamping namin. So, I guess everyone's ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? So let's start. So the first requirement is the letter of acceptance. It's the LOA from a school. So paano namin nakuha yung LOA? We submitted via email the Form 137, high school diploma, transcript of records, college diploma, IELTS, and WES. Yung sa WES, ito yung Canadian assessment ng degree mo from the Philippines. So, based sa sinabit mo, i-assess nila kung approve ka ba sa course na napili mo. And after nung assessment, magsisend sila sa'yo ng letter of offer and then sasabihin nila kung paano ka magbabayad ng tuition fee. So, at magbabayad ng tuition fee. So, during that time, ang 1-year tuition is 15,000 Canadian dollar. So, after payment, sinend namin ulit yung payment receipt via email. And then, after nun, kapag okay na-receive na nila yung payment and approve ka na, magsisend sila sa'yo ng letter of acceptance. So, that letter of acceptance, kailangan mong isubmit during your visa application. Second requirement, it's the school credentials. Actually, it related lang siya sa first requirement nung pagkuha ng LOA. So, school credentials includes diploma, Form 137, TOR, college diploma, IELTS, and WES. Third requirement is your employment documents. So, we submitted our certificate of employment from the current and our previous experiences. Then we get 4 months payslip. And since OFW kami, we submitted a scanned copy of our SPAS visa. Ako, since nagtrabaho din ako sa UAE, so I sent my Emirates ID card, a copy of my Emirates ID. Fourth requirement, these are the personal documents. So, it includes passports, visas, and stamp pages. So, yung sa amin kasi, meron kaming 1 current passport and 2 old passports. So, ang ginawa ko, iniscan ko yung first, yung current passport, and then ano yung visa stamp pages na meron, and then old passport, visa stamp pages, and then old passport, and then visa stamp pages. Next is NSO birth certificate. Then, marriage certificate. So, sa amin, I submitted statutory declaration of common law union. Again, I submitted statutory declaration of common law union. So, it's like a form na fill upan mo kailan yung cohabitation and all, and then mga proof of relationship mo attaching to that form, and then pinanotarize namin sa lawyer sa Singapore. Next is NBI clearance, then police clearance certificate. Since nga OFW kami sa Singapore, so kumuha din kami ng police clearance. And then nagtrabaho ako sa UAE before, so I get also a police clearance dun sa UAE. So, Philippine ID if you have, So, meron kaming SSS ID. So, sinabit din namin yon. Then, resume and your digital photo. So, sa pagkuha ng digital photo, I can attach the link below kung ano yung size ng digital photo. But usually naman, if you go to Photoshops or photo booth, sabihin mo lang na I want to get a digital photo for Canada visa. Alam na yun nila. Number 5 requirement, it's the home ties. So sabi nila, kailangan daw mag-submit ng your properties, house and lot and all. Pero since wala kaming property sa Philippines, so what we did was we submitted family photos and then our SSS contribution, pag-ibig contribution, and I get a statement nung stocks namin like JFC, Cebu Pac, and Ayala Land. Number 6 requirement, it's the proof of funds. So we submitted a 4 months bank statement of our foreign bank accounts, and then we get a 4 months bank statement and 4 months bank certificate of our joint account in the Philippines. And then that's it. Yun lang yung sinubmit namin. Number 7 requirement is your statement of purpose or your study plan. So since separate kami ng application ni Elle, she did her study plan and ginawa ko naman yung statement of purpose ko why I need to come with her in Canada. So if you have questions regarding our SOP or our study plan, you can comment below or you can send us a personal message in our messenger. So, since separate application kami ni Elle, and nauna siyang dumating ng Canada, so, in my application, kasama lahat ng requirements na binigay ko kanina, but I included her visa stamp in Canada, work permit, and study permit. So, yun na yung lahat na sinubmit namin na requirements during our application or visa application here in Canada. So, sa mga may questions, you can ask in the comment section below or you can send us a personal message via messenger. We'll try our best na maka-reply sa inyo. And that's it. So, hopefully, may natutunan kayo today and hopefully you can share this video to your friends na gustong pumunta ng Canada. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and hopefully until next videos. Bye!